everyone, this is Ella from Mingyue. Today I'm showing you how to operate capsule filling machine. First, you need to connect the power. This is 3-phase 308. The second is connect the workman pump. Okay, take the wire. Each line have a number, so you connect the correct one. Then turn on the power. Connect the workman pump with machine. Connect the air compressor. Connect the total power. Okay. On the display, you can see English and Chinese. First, we need to test the workman pump is working correct or not. So we need to turn on the workman pump and touch here. If here not suck, no air to suck your hand, it means the not correct. So we need to change it. So we need to change the wire connect. Change the black with white wire. Okay, we go back to operate again. English and the workman pump. Touch your hand. You can see here the air to suck your hand. This screen, this one, is for control the measurement for auger screw. So the first time you set like a 40. If you think the weight of the capsule not enough, you can increase by your hand. Okay, like this. This one is turntable speed. This one is the machine speed. For here, don't change anything. First, let me show you how to put this mold on here. Check the direction. Here. This pass. Okay, we test the machine. First, put the empty capsule in the tank. Local for control capsule filling in the mold. Now, the first time we need to turn off. Workman, see here, when the capsule fill in the mold. Okay, now you can see all capsule in the mold. Now we can turn on this local and make the capsule filling in the mold. Okay, 开始。Workman, capsule filling. Okay, when the empty capsule filling in the mold, we need to turn around. Okay. Then close the workman and separate the mold. Up mold with down mold is for separate the capsule. This is down mold. The next step is put the down mold to here for filling powder. And touch here. The mold not out of the stainless steel. Then we turn on powder filling. Okay, you can see the auger screw is working. It's for filling powder in the capsule. Okay, after filling powder, we need to put the up mold on the down mold. Okay, pour one first stage on the last stage for the checked closed capsule. Okay, must be careful about the pin is in the mold. Okay, and check here, must be horizontal. After, push to yellow button. Okay, this is the finished capsule.